So we're gonna make Play-Doh today, and you're going to need flour. It doesn't matter what type of flour, but just flour. You're gonna need some cooking oil, vegetable oil, salt, and you can use food coloring of your choice. And also, this is the most important thing, if you don't have cream of tartar, this won't work. So you definitely need your cream of tartar. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the dry ingredients first. And usually I let the kids help and I show them what a cup is. So explain a little bit about the measurement. So we're gonna need 2 cups of flour. Usually I let them all take turns putting some of the ingredients in. So there's 1. And there's 2. So we got our 2-cup flour. And also, whether you have a skillet or if you want to do it in a pot on top of the oven, a stove rather, make sure it's off until you put all the ingredients in. And then we need 1 cup of salt. And they always like taking turns putting all the ingredients in, that way they had a hand in helping make the Play-Doh, putting it together. There we go. So we'll put our cup of flour and salt in. Okay. Then next we need our oil, so you need 3 tablespoons. I usually let it spill just a little bit over when they're doing it. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then the most important is the cream of tartar. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. So then you can let your child pick out what color they like. I usually go ahead and pour it myself because sometimes with food coloring it can stain. So we're gonna make yellow today. Now just realize if you use red, it's gonna come out more pink because of the flour consistency, and also unfortunately because of the flour, if you use blue, it's probably going to turn out green more often than not. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the skillet. I'm going to go ahead and pour the water in. You can start slowly stirring and mixing that up. You can also talk a little bit about solids and liquids. You can also talk about prediction. What do you think it's going to look like? Do you think it's going to stay this way even though we're cooking it? Is it still going to stay like a liquid? Or do you think it's going to come out all globby? What do you think is going to happen to it as we're heating it up and slowly cooking it? We can talk about liquids. What is a liquid, and then how important it is when you see a liquid to not just think that it's water. So you need to always be careful. I'm going to step out for a second and let this start heating up.